Hello guys, good evening. So let's start our session. So I hope we were good with the till here. We are good with that. Okay. Now I'll take one more new class. Variable 10. Okay. So I'll check a couple of programs. So this is your variable 10. Okay. Now int b equal to 10. So what is this? This is global variable. Okay. Now static int c equal 5. So this one will be static variable. Okay, right? Okay. So this is main method. Inside main method, I'll go and I will write here int a equal to 6. Okay, this one will be local variable. Okay. Okay. So local variable. Why it is local variable means it is under method class. Okay. One second. Yes. Okay. Sys out. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Okay. Now what should be the output here? I'll go and execute this one. Right. 6. Clear guys. So just I created defining and declaring, already you have seen yesterday's class. Okay, so this one will be local variable, this one will be static variable, because this is static keyword. If the variable having a static keyword, then that will be the static keyword. Okay, now coming to now, and I'll go and I'll create one static method, public static void. Now int e equal to some 15. So this one will be local variable. Okay, now sys out. Now I'll write here this is static method. Okay, this one int equal to 15, because under method local variable. Now sys out e. What should be the output here? 15, right? Right guys? Okay, okay. Now Now I'll create one user defined method that, let me show you, public void f. So this one will be method. Under this method I'll create one variable. This one will be local variable, right? Yes. Okay. Now sys out g. What should be the output here? It's 5, right? Now, okay. Now I'll come to this main method. Inside this main method, what I will do here, I'll call method. Okay. This is static member calling. This is okay. If I wish to call this C, so this is static, right? Right, guys? Static into C. This is the static. If you wish to call here, then this static method comes under variable 8, right? So this method also comes under variable 10, that is a class 10. Okay. If the static member existing in the same class, then you don't need to worry. Directly you can call here. Sys out. Okay. Sys out C. That's it only, guys. That's it. Right? This is a calling static member. What should be the output here? 5. That's it. Run it. Direct call. That's it. That's so. So this is your main method, right? So this is main method. So directly you can go on the call D method. If you wish to call D method here, okay. So if you wish to call directly, okay, without writing this directly, you can call. Okay, let me show you now. So this is direct call. Okay, we have another approach also. Check it here, right? So this is direct call. Direct call. Now sys out variable 10, right, guys? C. That's it. What should be the output? 5. Okay, so this is the class. What is the class name here? Variable 10. Okay, we are calling C method here. Okay, now variable 10 dot D. That's it. What should be the output here? 15. So you are calling by the help of class name. 15. Right, guys? Okay. So this is all about static. So this is a non-static because we are not using any static keyword here. Okay, this is a static and this one will be the non-static. Okay, this is about static and non-static. Now we'll create one object class here. Okay, okay, guys. You can check your output also. Direct calling. Okay, so that's it. Capture this one program. Calling static member. Now object creation statement. Object creation statement. Right, right, guys. Okay, what is the syntax here? I'll tell you. Class name and reference name equal to new class name. That's it. That's it only, guys. Object creation statement. Okay, capture this one. You guys are done with the screenshot? Okay, now what is the case here? I will tell you. So what is a class here? Variable 10. Okay, now variable 10 reference name we will give here new. What is the class name here? Variable 10. That's it. That's it, guys. Non static member calling. That's it. Now variable 10 is your class name, right? Sys out v10. What is that? Reference name dot b. That's it. What should be the output? 10, right? Now v10 dot f. Right, guys? Let's go and execute this one. So this is a non-static member. Right, guys? Output. Right? You can call here by the help of object creation statement. That is the case we have seen here. Class name. What is the class name here? Variable 10. Right, guys? This is a variable 10. We have created a variable 10 with the name of variable 10. That is a class name. Now, reference name. We can give anything here. Reference name we are giving v10. Okay, and new and variable 10 is a class name. That's it only. With the help of object statement we are creating. That is a non-static member. Okay, so do one thing, guys. First capture this one. Okay, done. Please take screenshot. Okay, output console also. This one also take. I'll give another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now. Okay, now I'll go and I'll create one more class. Variable 11. I'll take main method. Okay, now coming to int a. What is this guy? Is it defining a variable or declaring a variable? Is it a declaring a variable, right? Declaration of variable. Okay, now a equal to 10. What is this? Assigning value to a variable, right? So this is a assigning variable. Okay, now sys out a. What should be the output here? It should be 10. Okay, perfect. Now char b equal to h. It is a character type. Now sys out b. It should be h. Now coming to string c equal to a. String should be always in double quotes. Okay, now sys out c. What should be the output here? A, right? Right? Okay, now string will take one more thing here. String object creation here, like str equal to hello Java. What is this here? Length. Now sys out str dot length. This is a length, right? Right, guys? Now what should be the output here? 10. That's it. That's it. Let's go and execute this one. Okay, right? Capture this one, guys. We'll see the output also. Now, coming to sys out str. Now, what should be the output here? Hello Java. Let's see. Let me execute this one. Right? Hello Java is printing here. Right, guys? That's it. Right, first capture this one. I will explain one more time. Okay, guys. Guys, are you there with me? Can you please respond? Oh, you are unable to take a screenshot, guys. But no one informed as of now. Every day, how you are taking now? Then you can use a snipping tool, guys. You can try with the snipping tool like this. Okay. For taking screenshot, you can use snipping tool or you can use print screen. That means shift window. Yes, you can use shift plus windows plus. Yes, yes, perfect. Okay, so we have number of options based on your available. You can take. Okay, good, very good. Because for reference, if you wish to practice, then it will be good for having that program handy so that you will go and you will practice much more with a fresh mind. Okay, guys. Okay. Just give me 2 to 3 minutes. I will be on mute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will come back again. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, memory allocation of all variables. Okay. Now, local variables, it will get memory location when method is called and their creation statement is executed. That's it. Now, static variable get memory location when class is loaded into JVM. Global variable get memory location when object is created using keyword. That's it. Okay. So this is about memory location. Global variable will get memory location when object is created. What is the keyword we will use? New keyword. That's it. That much is enough, guys. How the memory will get located for local variable and static variable and a global variable, right? Okay. So capture this one. Is it clear? So if you're talking about a static variable, if you have loaded the class into that JVM, then it will look at memory allocation. What about the global? While you are creating object with a new keyword, it will get memory location. Okay. So these are the things you need to remember. That's it only. Okay. How it is getting located. So how we are created, for example, we wish to, what is that here, coming to here. What is this non-static with the help of object creation? What is the class name reference? And this is the object creation statement for that non-static we are called here. Okay. So when you are talking about object creation, this is the way you need to write. So, so these are about static and non-static. Now, let me show you. Okay. Okay, guys. Now let me show you. Okay, guys. So, guys, we are done with this introduction to the Java. Done basics of Java, JVM, JRE, Java naming conventions, introduction to Eclipse, identifiers, Sting. Okay, we are done with that Sting also. Now static and non-static also we are done, right? We are good with that. Till now we are good with concept of object. You know how to create the object in the class. Basically you are aware of that object creation, right? So already we have seen that couple of programs in object. Okay, now little bit only we'll talk about that. That is really important, but you should understand that. Okay, now I'll come to this part. Okay, if we are talking about object, so the very first thing, object, wo is a uppercase. That means object is a, it is a or predefined class, right? Find class in Java, right? It is also known as superclass in Java. What is the meaning of superclass in Java? Here, what is a superclass here? Everything is come under object, right, guys? What is that meaning? Everything is comes under object. Once you are talking about Java, always we will create a class, then we will perform operation, right? Right, guys? We have created a number of classes. When we are talking about Java, we need to create a class first thing. Then only we'll go and execute the operations. Okay. Now everything is comes under super class here. Why it is object? Everything is considered as an object, guys. Object. Which is super class now? Now I'll show you that super class how it will be. Now can you see here object is under super class? Here super class is an object, it is showing, right? Right, guys? That's it. That is the matter here. That is object. Now if we can talking about all these things, oops concept, okay, loops, conditional statement, every Java constructor interface, everything comes under object, right? That means class, super class. Whoa. All these things you will implement in class only. Whatever you are going to learn here, all these things will implement everything in class only now. Okay, now that is the thing. Okay, perfect. Now that's the reason we say object is a superclass in Java. It's a crystal clear. Say yes or no. Now if it is a object, okay, inside this object we can have two different classes. One can be your user defined class, user defined entity, or okay, and this one can be predefined entity. Each and everything will comes under the object or not. Predefined entity, we are talking about that anything here, right? Capture this one, guys. Quickly capture this one. Yesterday we have seen that one thing is, guys, array is a out of bond, that is a object also. So that is a predefined class in Java. I'll show you. Where is that? Some error we received yesterday. Object. Yeah, this one. This one, guys. This one, right? Out of bond. This is a predefined. Hmm. This is the matter here. This is all about object. System methods. System method also comes under object class. If you are talking about string, that is a class. String class will comes under object. Yes. You can mention like here parent class. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Okay. So accordingly you can use that. String class, string class, object. Object creation statement will be class name, reference name is equal to new class name. Any class member, if you wish to use, then you go with the object creation statement. That's it. That's it only. So once you are going for a constructor, then we'll go for a in-depth of that constructor. Then you will be utilized there. Okay. If I can give that real-time example like a fan, code, mobile, laptop, that is that real time. You may not correlate with the code. That's the reason here I am not giving that kind of examples. Okay, so you should correlate with the code. Okay, guys. Now, perfect. We are good with the concept of object also. Now, easiest thing, which is a method. Already we have completed lot of things in the method. main method and the public static method, user defined method, how to utilize it. Number of times we have seen that every program main method we are using that functions of that method. Okay, you have created user defined method and the predefined method are not under variable 10. If we can come to here, variable 10, this is a class name. Under that one method we have created here. Okay, user defined method, predefined method, main method. Okay, like that we have seen number of times here. Right. Now if you are talking about methods or functions, now coming to here, now method or functions. Awesome. What is a method? Now, can you hear or can you able to see this, or you want me increase the size of letters? Yes, method or functions both are same, like all are potato or all like that. It is a collection of statement that are grouped together to perform any operation. Okay, okay guys. Now, like you have seen that int g is equal to file system dot 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 pentagon g public void that method. You are passing the logic here together to make it some understandable logic here. So this method or functions is a collection of different set of statements that will be grouped together to perform a operation, depends on your requirement. We have performed, you are printing the something here, you are printing something here. Okay, so this actually you are executing that main method, the respective operation which will be performed to perform anything in the console here. Then you need to system.out.data and print ln, right. Always method is a collection of different logic to perform which need to perform operation. Now we'll talk about different setup. So each and every method will comes under class only, right here. That will come right here. All the methods has to be written class body, right. We cannot write function or method inside other function. Okay guys, method inside method you can't create, but you can call, right guys? That is the thing. Okay, execution of programs will always start from main method. Okay, okay. Now we can call same method as many times we want. Like you D method we are called multiple times now. This D method, again you can call the D method, right? Again you can call the D method. Okay, what will happen? Again you will get the output. That same 15 you will get. As many time as you wish to print, you can call the same method number of time. Okay, but we cannot create inside a method another method we can't create. Okay, okay. Now methods can return only one value at a time. That's it. That's it, guys. We're done with that. Capture this one. We have a lot of functions. This is about your methods. Oh shit, guys. Why I'm writing here? If I can write here, that will be long. Okay. As of now, you can capture this one, guys. I'll share. Okay, I have time. I'll do one thing. I'll write here. Just allow me 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds, I'll write here. That's it. Please capture this one. Methods or functions. Okay. Now, it is a collection of statement, right? That are grouped together to perform any operation. That's it. That is a simple statement or definition. Now, all the methods has to be written inside class body, right guys? Can you check here? Whatever the methods are there in every program. So this is the one class. Inside a class only we created method like here and here also. Okay, here also we have seen number of methods as you wish to create depends on your requirement. Inside class only we created methods. Now we can not write function inside the other function, right? Right, guys? But you can call. Now, execution. What is that? Main method. It always will start execute from main method. Execution of program will always start from main method only. That's it. Now we can call same method as many times we want. That's it. Okay. Now methods can return only one time at a time. It will return only one type at a time. That's it, guys. That's all methods. Hope you are done with that. We are done with the methods. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is about your function methods. Okay. Now Java operators that I'll take separate session for Java operators. If I can start here, we may not close. Okay, so it will take some maximum time. It may not close if I can start here. So conditional statement for Java operators. And tomorrow also I'll take static and non-static. There are a little bit we can cover. There is a scope of that. I'll take non-static and non-static also. Okay, let me complete tomorrow. Okay, I'll take static and non-static and Java operators, conditional statement and loops concept. So this one will take 1 day. Okay, and oops concept. This is very much important. Entire one class I'll take oops concept, maybe one or two classes. And the constructions, default public, Java interface, access deployment, typecasting. And how to run the code, this every day we are doing how to run the code. We are running collections. This one will take collections and exception handling. Okay, these two topics will take 1 day. Okay, and Java interface, typecasting and Java keywords, this one will take 1 day. Okay, and object concepts and construction, this one will take 1 day. break statement and array statement will take also 1 day. Okay, how many? This one will take 1 day. Okay, operators, for only operators I'll take 1 day. Conditional statement and loops concept I will take 1 day. So total we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So mostly it will complete by next weekend, guys. So by next week, Java we can complete uh, by next weekend. Okay. After that, Java part will take maximum time, but Selenium it will not more time. Selenium part will get complete quickly. It's very easy. Already automation testing, introduction to automation testing that you know already. Advantage. This is the theory part. Advantage and disadvantage of automation testing. Introduction to Selenium ID control in this one, and download and configuring web drivers. Selenium web driver architecture, drivers setup path. Okay. So these are all things. So I'll complete. Guys, just for my reference, I am giving here all these things we can complete 1 day. Theory part here. Just setup and configuration and downloading and all that. Like you are downloaded JDK, Java, Eclipse, right? Like that, Selenium also we will download. So this part will take 1 day. And select a subutility that I will tell you. And locate as X path. How many days it will take? It will. I can give 1 day for these three topics. And how to handle checkbox values handling dropdown. These things will take 1 day. And weights, implicit weight and explicit weight. Mhm. Explicit weight and handling dynamics web table. How to get a all this part we can complete, guys. Is that okay, the way of explanation, whether I'm going fast or slow? Hope you are getting and clearly. So that's the reason I am not going too much of fast and not too much of slow. You need to understand everything. Okay, these things we can complete on one class. Okay, wait. Now, how to use JavaScript, scroll down, scroll up, handling cookies, mouse and keyboard simulations, drag and drop elements. These parts we can complete within one class. Guys, please make sure don't miss any classes from now onwards. Very much important topics we are going to discuss under managing a frame and Selenium. These parts I will take these three handling alert box one class for them one class and reading properties file and Apache log4j. It may take 1 day and remaining these three Catalan recorder. It will take 1 day. So total how many here? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maximum 8 classes. Okay, guys. So within 2 weeks, we can complete Selenium part. Once we are done with the Selenium part under Java, I will give you the project. For your practice, I will give you the some test cases and practice daily. You can start execute and ADO access also. I will give you if you are interested to take ADO and GitHub. Let me know. You need to purchase that one. GitHub also it is not a paid version. It's a free open source. GitHub I will give you. I will explain you how to all the code whatever. Yes, whatever we are creating a programs here for your practice and understanding, please make sure every program should be in a GitHub. Okay, like I'll show you. Okay, not now, tomorrow, maybe our next class, I'll tell you if possible. In resume you will mention your email ID and your mobile number. Okay, some people will mention the LinkedIn ID also. Okay, the same way, if you are a automation test engineer, it is a better, it is not mandatory but it is a recommended to mention your GitHub ID, so that you will get a good impression and it will give you the added advantage out of thousands of profiles, because they will understand, okay, this guy is having automation experience. He practiced some programs and some project, like that they will understand if you can post all your programs in that GitHub. Okay, that GitHub also I will explain you. Already it is there in our syllabus part. GitHub, where is that? It is Maven grid, Selenium grid. Yes, Git code. Okay, Git, how to use the Git commands, pull, push, Git. Okay, from local branch to main branch, regional branch, parent to child, like that. You how to push the code, how to match that, all these things. I will explain you Git code version tools. And the same Git ID, you can mention your resume. Okay, guys. So maybe maximum I'll complete by next weekend. That means June 7th. So this is a May last week. We are done with all 28. Next 3 days and another 5 days. By June 7th, I'll close. Maximum we can close Java part, and from June 10 to 22. These 2 weeks, within these 2 weeks, we can close Selenium part. Okay, guys, are you there? Hello. What is using member screenshot? Okay, very good. Yeah, static and keyword. I will explain one more thing tomorrow. We have a couple of points regarding static and non-static. Tomorrow also we can explain. Okay. Okay. So this is the our strategy, guys. Regarding your syllabus part and manual testing already I have seen that. Okay, and if we can complete by 22 Selenium part, after that frameworks, TestNG, BDD frameworks will take another 2 weeks. I'm planning to start on the new batch by June 1st. If not possible, I'll start July 8th. If we can complete within that June ending, I'll go for July 1st. Let's see how it will go. But the main thing is you need to understand. My intention is to train you in a better way and a good knowledge. Not I'm not focusing about completing the syllabus. Selenium part within 4 hours I can complete. Java part within 7 hours I can complete. But that is not my motto. We have seen that every little bit also, small things also, I am explaining in a broader way, in depth the concept. Okay, so that's it, guys. We'll meet again next class. Thank you. Thanks for joining. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye.